In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create unique invoice numbers in Google Sheets Excel. Start by opening your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. This same idea also works in Excel, but I will be showing it in Sheets so you can follow along exactly. You want a simple setup where one column contains a basic numeric value that increases for each invoice, and another column will turn that number into a clean invoice ID. Once you are in the sheet, click into the area you will use for your invoice numbering. You can begin by selecting the cells you plan to work with, so it is easy to see where your numbers will go. The goal here is to have a starting number in your first data row and then generate an invoice number next to it. Now click into the cell where you want the invoice number to appear. In that cell, enter this formula exactly as shown, DYNNV and text A2000. Then confirm the formula. Here is what that formula is doing. The NNV part is a prefix, so every invoice number starts with the same label, which keeps things consistent and professional. The text function takes the number from cell A2 and formats it with 3 digits. That means if A2 is 1, the result becomes 001. If A2 is 12, it becomes 012. If A2 is 123, it stays 123. When you combine the prefix with that formatted number, you get invoice numbers like NNV001, NNV002, and so on. After you enter the formula, select the cell again so it is highlighted, then use the fill handle to copy the formula down the column to the rest of your rows. As you fill down, the A2 reference will automatically shift to A3, A4, and onward, which keeps each invoice number unique as long as the numbers in column A are unique and in the correct order. Take a moment to click through a few of the generated cells and confirm the pattern is consistent. If you ever need more than 3 digits, you can adjust the format inside the text function by adding more zeros, but the structure of the formula stays the same. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.